Did you know that there are 19 documented cases of endometriosis in men? And then you're like, but how is it in the men? I thought there was a woman disease. So endometrium is the tissue that lines the uterine cavity, and it's actually the tissue that is removed with each menstrual cycle. So when the woman menstruates, the endometrium leaves or flushes out of the body. Sometimes this endometrium can fragment and retrograde. Instead of going out of the uterus, it goes up into the uterine tube and ends up in the pelvis. And sometimes these fragments can attach itself to any organ it finds, for example, on the surface of the appendix or on the colon. And the next time the woman menstruates, you're gonna have a bad time. Because now you're bleeding on the surface of the appendix or on the colon, which leads to inflammation and scarring and adherences between organs, and that's just painful. So when we are tiny little embryos, we are asexual. We have two different ducts. We have the Wolffian and we have the Mullerian duct. And when the tiny little embryo starts to think, yes, I see, I have the female chromosomes, I better become a female. And then the Wolffian duct is erased and the Mullerian duct remains. And from this Mullerian duct, all the female reproductive organs are made. So if you're a man, it's the opposite. The Mullerian duct is erased and the Wolffian duct remains and becomes the male reproductive organs. But this process is a very time sensitive and hormonal sensitive, meaning that often as adults we are left with some kind of Mullerian or Wolffian duct remnants. And the theory is that men that have Mullerian duct remnants can, under the certain circumstances like excess estrogen, develop endometriosis. Extremely rare, but can happen, and that's the theory.